Hello everyone! Today we will be exploring the USDA's Super Tracker online application. We will start by going to My Plan. I have already input my information regarding my height, weight, and age. Based on the information, the application has calculated a total calorie limit per day plan. This plan includes grains, vegetables, fruits, dairy, protein foods, and oils. All of these are components of the My Plate. We will go to My Features and click on My Top 5 Goals. These goals include weight management, physical activity, calories, food groups, and nutrients. I have already set my goals. My physical activity goal is 40 minutes per week, and the vegetable goal would be to increase my vegetable intake. To the right, you can see that this is a weekly trend. You can track this by going to Track Food and Activity, clicking on Food Tracker. The food tracker will allow you to input the food that you have ate throughout the day and calculate the calories that each of the foods have. I am going to add milk because I had a glass of milk for breakfast. It was 2%. And right here you can choose whether it was a cup, tablespoon, fluid ounce, or quart. I had 1 cup for breakfast, and I will add it. Now you can see that under breakfast, there's 1 cup of milk. This cup had 122 calories. To the right, you can see the total calories eaten, which is 196, because I have other foods that have been added under lunch. This little chart right here will show you how much of each of the food groups you are eating. For example, there's milk and yogurt, whole fruit, and there would be protein, oils, and vegetables once you input all that other information. At the top, you can see the date, your physical activity target, the daily calorie limit, and the daily food group targets. Now we will go to Physical Activity Tracker. This is similar to the Food Tracker. The difference is that you are inputting activities. So we can put walking and running because when someone goes to school, most of them will be walking on campus, on stairs. The campus is really big. Less than 2 miles per hour because we're not walking too fast, but we are sort of speed walking in order to get to classes. So throughout the day, I was walking about 20 minutes from here and there to class. So you click the day that you did this on. Monday, 20 minutes, and we will add it. Now you can see that under Monday there's walking, less than 2 miles per hour. And I have other activities such as soccer on Sunday and Monday. You can add different activities on different days. And it will track your muscle strengthening days. So there's 2 days right here of muscle strengthening because soccer offers that. And the point of tracking all the food and activity that you do is so that you can go to My Reports and you can view different reports, either food and groups and calories or physical activity. For physical activity, I will click the week of April 1st, and you can click on Create Report, and you will see a report. I have not input a lot of information for this week, so the report will not contain as much information as a different week would. But these reports allow a person to see their progress in achieving their goal. So the goal right here was 40 minutes. And the actual was 180 minutes. But this was only because I added different activities for examples. But a person can see how and where their different activities are distributed throughout the week. Thank you for joining me and learning about the Super Tracker. This application is very useful for maintaining weight and food status. We will learn more about this application later in the semester.